What's going on, everybody? We back with another one. I know I ain't posted in a minute. I've just been enjoying the truck. It is tuned now, so it's road ready. We did put the 22s and 33s back on it, the 22 by 12s and 33s. Put the refs back on the Ram. But in today's video, as you can probably tell by the thumbnail, we're going to be doing a little bit of color matching. And when I mean color matching, I mean DIY. Typically, that's what you see on my channel. So we found this at AutoZone. It's supposed to be the same color. I mean, it looks almost similar. It looks a little bit lighter here, but I think that's just because of the can, the lid. But this is what the color of the truck is. It's pewter. So fingers crossed it's going to work. So I pulled the plastics off of this. I'm going to color match these. The piece here. I'm also going to try to pop these bad boys back off and color match these as well. And if this turns out good, I'm going to color match the door handles as well. I'm not even going to worry about trying to find some off like an Escalade or anything like that. We'll just color match them, have it all color matched. And I think it'll turn out good. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, truck is tuned. Matter of fact, let me give you guys a start up because I know you probably haven't heard it. Unless you follow me on like Instagram or TikTok, then you probably heard it. But let me give you guys a start up of this bad boy. Sounds really good. You guys already know my exhaust setup. It's stock exhaust manifolds, true dual, hollow cats, and the 2 shorty glass packs into the 5-inch road tips. I think I'm gonna do some kind of muffler like a Corsa or a Borla because it is really loud, like obnoxiously loud. Like you can barely get on it and it's like crazy loud. So I am gonna do a muffler. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. If any of you guys have a muffler that you're running on your cam truck, drop a comment, let me know. But yeah, let me cut this thing back off. But yeah, she's road ready now. Like I said, I've just been enjoying it for the past, what is it, week and a half. Haven't been doing much to it. I haven't done nothing to it, actually. I gotta get me another bed cover because this thing is like not in the best shape. But yeah, we went ahead and popped these pieces off. They're not the easiest to get off. I mean, I don't have small hands by any means, but you got to reach up in here and get these little tabs off the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those cleaned up. I'm gonna pop my phone will focus, the lights for the license plates off. And if I have enough paint, I might try to color match the mirror. Not sure yet. I did buy 2 cans of the paint and 1 can of the clear coat because I'm not going to need as much clear coat as I am paint. I might pull the old bullet antenna off and color match it as well. Jeez, I can't talk. And happy 4th, everybody. It is old 4th of July today. And if I do have enough and it looks good, this bad boy is going to get color matched as well. The grill, just this piece here. We're going to leave the chrome, color match this. I'm going to leave this black probably. But yeah, here these pieces are right here. Show you guys the tabs just in case any of you guys are interested in doing this. All you got to do is take your pair of pliers, squeeze it, push up. It pops right out. Once you get a few of them broke loose, you can go through there and lift on it. Put a little bit of pressure, not too much, and you can pop them all the way out without having to go to each and every one individually and squeeze it and push it up, because there are some tight spots in here. You can see where the bumper mounts are right here. These 2 were hard to get to. This one was not too bad. Same thing on the other side. But yeah, I'm gonna get this bumper cleaned up too. I'm gonna get those pieces cleaned up, and once I get the stuff painted, I'll pick the video back up and show you guys how it looks with the bumper cleaned up and then the pieces painted, and then we'll pause the video, put everything back on, and I'll show you guys the finished product. So stay tuned. Alrighty, fellas. Unfortunately, I didn't get to record me cleaning the bumper. I thought I was recording, and I wasn't. But honestly, I think it turned out really good. It looks brighter. I think that's just the way it's positioned. I don't know. Or it could just be because it's fresh paint. I don't know. But man, that looks so much better. So we painted the plastics, the license plate light, the cover for taking the spare tire down. Yeah, I think it looks really good. Like I said, it does look a little bit brighter, but I think that's just the positioning of where I'm at. Since this end's facing the sun, it looks brighter. I don't know. You can't really tell in person. But I mean, for what I pay, $40 for the spray paint and the clear coat, I honestly don't think you can beat it. Yeah, I mean, it looks pretty good on here as well on the camera. But like I said, $40, I mean, you can't beat it. I'm not gonna complain about it. It looks good to me, so that's all that matters. No, it's not a $3,000 paint job by any means, but it does look good. You know, we got everything covered as it should be. I honestly should have sanded these down to make them smooth. But yeah, all the surfaces covered good. We didn't prime it. I mean, we clear coated it after we spray painted it. So it shouldn't come off easy. Hopefully, fingers crossed. But this truck isn't a work truck, so I don't suspect it in the near future getting beat on. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. And hopefully the next video won't take this long to come out. Like I said, I just been enjoying the truck, you know, since I got it tuned. I got it tuned by the same people that tuned the Cat Eye. Powerhouse Performance over here in Grifton, North Carolina. Just the old basic street tune. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. If you guys enjoyed, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned, because like I said, we got a lot more stuff coming for this thing. I'm probably gonna go ahead once I get some more cans of that paint and do the door handles, the rest of the mirrors. I don't know if I'm gonna do the grill today and finish out that can that I got left, or do the handle. I think I might wait on the handle on the back and do all that at once, the handle and the bed rail, and then the tailgate. I don't even know what that'd be, guard, I guess, I don't know. But I might go ahead and do the grill, knock the grill out, get that taken care of. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. Like I said, if you guys enjoyed, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.